Introducing ProDG, your digital procurement solution provider. Procurement digitization solution like e-auction, both reverse and forward auction with different variants, digital RFQ comparative, vendor portal, digital spend analytics helps real-time data analytics and informations, and many more.
Welcome to the video demonstration showcasing ProDG's auction capabilities. Our software offers unparalleled flexibility, fostering competition and substantial savings. This streamlined processes involve creating a draft, monitoring, bidding strategies, and evaluating selections. Let's delve into quick e-auction execution focused on strategic planning for desired outcomes. To initiate a basic auction event, user create a sourcing project, filling in mandatory business relevant fields and achieve target savings. The user's name, select auction format template, and the template-driven process is set in motion. With multiple auction types available, this demonstration focused on reverse auction, a real-time online event where participants submit competitive bid for specific goods or services. Upon event creation, users are guided through a 4-step visit. Step 1 involves determining event parameters, including timing and bid decrement rules. Step 2, indicate which suppliers will participate. In our example, we have invited 3 suppliers. Step 3, centers on setting up auction do's and don'ts, allowing users to define event-specific rules. Step 4 involves adding the lots and list of the products to be purchased and relevant cost. Once published, participants are notified and suppliers accept or decline invite. They can also view the upcoming event in the dashboard. Suppliers can see product details with complete terms and conditions and also the countdown. Buyers can see multiple event details at a glance in buyer's dashboard. When a buyer observes an ongoing event, she can view event details, road details, timer, line graph of bids, along with the time block of submissions. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes, the event has begun. Suppliers place real-time bid using a web browser and internet connection from any location globally. Here is our first bid of the event. And here comes a best from our third participant. So we can see in the buyer's screen that 3 initial bids have been received so far. Suppliers are submitting second bids as buyer can see in the lineup summary. Competition is picking up, which is great. Wait, a supplier is trying to put a wrong bid by a mistake. Sir, bid decrement cannot be more than present percentage. Also, decrement cannot be less than 2%. ProDG system has checks in place, so no worries at all. Yes, now you got it. Last 3 minutes remaining. Oh, someone submitted a bid. Event is now extended by 5 more minutes, as you may see in a timer at the right-hand top corner. Suppliers get additional time and buyers get additional saving. Win-win, right? Very good. A close competition, we must agree. Now we are witnessing last 30 seconds of the event, and thus the event is completed. Timer flashes 0, indicating that event has ended. Submit bid button in supply screen is disabled, prohibiting any further bid. All participants are notified that the auction event is closed. Also, auction summary is mailed to the buyer with details of the winning bid and the lowest bidder. Buyer can see snapshot of all closed live and upcoming events in the dashboard. A detailed auction summary with all bids from all suppliers is available as downloadable PDF file to the buyer. For a live demo and to learn more, get in touch with us.